Hi, welcome back to part 2. This is where we finish off the wormhole. So let's get straight into it, no messing about, no chit chat, let's get straight into the wormhole. Save the exit back to ship, I'll just call it ship. Pallet or something. Walk to that. We probably will get podded. Not podded like, but my ship blown up. But might as well take the risk. That's what it's all about. We're it. Enter wormhole. Right, where can I shove this? Right there. Right, you'll go. There. Let's save that, let's get out. Let's go up here. Let's use some afterburner. So I'll try and get away. Hot wormhole. Hopefully no one will show up. Right, that should do it. Stop the ship. Reload, code. I need to be quick as possible to. I should have reloaded me pros before I entered it. Right, launch him. Do that. Right, that's that done. Let's hit that. Oh, there's quite a fair few here. Let's have a look. Let's do that one. Well, do I find out how much have I got? Why is it paused? No, that's why. Your mandate, can't see. That gone. Off go. Yeah, about right, let's analyse that. Look at basically for data calls really. I'm going to call whatever which one is best, I don't know. Where is it? No. Is that many dots? I don't even know what's the fun. Oh, it's not. Look down a bit. Just have to keep on going. I'm only going to do a couple, then leave it. I don't know where that one is from. I'm right over there. Look. Try that. This is going to take a while, I think, so I won't do all of them, I'll just do a couple and try elsewhere. Okay. Still shows what it is. I'll zoom in a bit, let's see if we can get a better view. That's just there. I'll slow it down a bit more. I don't think we've got enough signal to do it. No, I'm not liking this. Texture. Oh, I'm sorry. What? Oh, no, that's fine. Try that. Here we go. Unstable wormhole. So we can ignore the results for that one. Let's try and find that one. We'll do what? No more wormholes. We just want data cores, data sets, and relics there. No idea how you do them, how you play the action game, I ain't got a clue. Another wormhole. The dog's sniffing about, he's going to look to something. He's put me off this game. Right, it will do. Where is that one? No. Oh, where's that? That will do that one. Analyze that. Hey, get down! Get down! Get down! The dog jumped over, I can't let him jump over. Sorry about that. Alright. Oh no, he's messing about after going in it. Yeah. Try that one. What is it? Right, where is it? I've lost it. Right, there we go, 15. Right, a bit down. I don't think I'll be able to do it. One the claw. I think these are going to just be our wormholes or whatever. No doubtable. Oh, data site. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Right, lower it down a bit. Oh, below. Cross our fingers. We've got a data site. I don't know whether I can do them or not, or play the hacking game. I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. But at least we've got a data site here. A bit of luck. 24. To the right. Down a bit. Like that. Yeah. Got a data site. 74%, 58 high. 90. Good. And data. We'll lower that down a bit. Analyze it. Hopefully this is probably 100%. Well, I know I'm going to be careful because sleeper sites and stuff like that. Let's have a look. Right, I'll go get rid of this. Right, okay. Oh, fuck, what have I done? Right, uncloak, that would help. That would help. There we go, I'll fire again and now I'm just realised. I don't think there's no here. Right, let's get out of there, quick. I'm panicking. Whoa. Oh shit. Oh dear. Whoa. Come on. No! I just did it. I just escaped. There were not there anyway. Let's get out of here, and I think this will be the end of the video. I I won't be doing wormholes again until this is too many sleeper sites. Right, we're in safe now. Hopefully I've picked up my dog's back in the fucking feet. I saw it again. Get up what's later. Yeah, I've got me probe. Yeah, well, that's the end of that. We found a data car site, but it was a super site, and we're not there anyway, I don't think. I didn't know what I'd... Bruno! He's biting me in it hurts. He's only puffing, he's got really sharp teeth. Yeah, I think I'll leave it as that. I'll dock up and analyse what I've got through. But I think what we're going to do is just low second null set, no wormholes. Because I don't like wormholes. There's too many sleeper sites, I don't even know what I'm looking for. So what I'll do low sec, null sec, high sec sites, data cards, relics, analyzers or whatever. Do them, but I won't do wormholes. I ain't got a clue what I'm looking at. But for now, that's it. That's end of the series. Next thing it'll be red versus blue PvP, just hunting round. I might be able to get a fight, I might not. I might ask one of the red to ask for a duel or something like that. So we'll see what happens. So that's it for now. Bye for now.